Yeah. We don't need to see that much of you. Hi guys, it is day 7. He did it this way, I did it the other way. That's how we're different. Yes, so we are on day 7 of injections. Today I actually had to do the first Stretchy injection. Cover up my info. Stretchy. So I filmed that earlier. I'll insert that clip after this, but I'm actually doing it earlier in the day than we're doing these. These shots are at 9 p.m. and the Stretchy today I did it at 2 o'clock, and then tomorrow I have to do it at least a half hour earlier every single day. So I'm gonna aim for like 45 minutes to an hour earlier every single day. So that has started, and that's to make me not ovulate. And then the Menopur and the Golden are just to continue to help me grow follicles. So we're up to 3 injections a day, and Eric is not around for the ones in the middle of the day. So I had to do it to myself, and that was not fun. So
do you want me to do both tonight then?
I think I can do the Golden Left.
Alright.
I think I can do it. And then tomorrow I have to do the Stretchy again on myself, but on Saturday and Sunday you can help me.
Alright.
So I just have to suck it up for one more day. Yay. So we're gonna move the camera down and
2 more days.
my customer is Thursday.
Yeah.
Son of a monkey. 2 more days. I have to suck it up and do it to myself. And then Saturday and Sunday he can help me. So
Yep.
and I don't know how long after that we're gonna keep doing it. So yeah, then we get the shot in the butt. Okay, so I'm gonna twist up my Golden Left and get going on this, and then no hesitation, I'm just gonna stab that baby on the end of my abdomen and get rocking and rolling with it. Eric's gonna do the Menopur, and then we're done for the evening. We took all our supplements and everything, so moving you on down right now. Grab my fat chunk. Product off the end of the needle, stabby stabby.
One, two, three.
Okay. Further away from the belly button, the better.
This one?
Yep. Not too far out though. I'm like there.
Jeez.
It's fine.
Burning today.
A little bit. The needle actually didn't feel too bad today, which was good. The needle earlier hurt worse.
Filling it up.
Container's starting to fill up. All right, guys.
Have a good
See
night.
you tomorrow. Hello. I just
Good
got
evening.
out of the shower.
Just got home from class.
So we're both looking real nice. What day are we on here? Is it day 8?
Yep.
Day 9? It is day 8. Yeah. Throw up double 4s. Deuce 4s. Yeah, so we're still on 1 vial of Menopur and 225 IUs of Golden Left. I also did 1 vial of Stretchy earlier, which I'll insert here. So did that one earlier today. It was a little bit better today than it was yesterday, so that was good. Yesterday was a little rough. And I did that one at 1:15 p.m. by myself. Oh, that's his alarm to remind us for injections. So we have our third follicle scan tomorrow. We may have to buy more drugs.
Disappointing to me.
It's a lot of money for drugs, but gotta do what you gotta do to make it through. So I'm gonna do the gonal F injection. Eric's gonna do the Menopur, and yeah, that'll be it for today. Super exciting, right?
Woohoo! And then we got another appointment tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning, it's like 7:30. It's a little bit later than the other one. The other ones were like 7:15.
You have to get there at 7:15, so that's when you have to get there at 7:30?
I think so.
Okay.
So, I don't think the doctor's getting there at 7:15. That's why, because we actually see the doctor today.
Ah.
Or tomorrow after the
That's right.
scan.
It's technically pre-op.
Yeah, it's the pre-op appointment tomorrow, so. Yeah. Okay. Off we go, stabby stabby. Oh, and I should mention, I'm feeling lots of things. So.
Oh, it's Buster.
Oh, it's the Buster. He's a big baby. He's 55 pounds. Yes.
And he's got lots of feelings.
He has so many feelings of love. Look at this, the love. Mwah. He's a good puppy. Dougie's lover. He's so happy now.
Yes.
I'm feeling a lot of like abdominal pressure. And when I was pregnant before, when we had our loss last October, so when I was pregnant for the 9 weeks before that, you know, the discomfort, like when your uterus is swelling and it like kind of presses on your bladder a little bit. Maybe you don't know, but like I feel that, like I feel it pressing on my bladder a little from like the swelling of my ovaries, like taking up space in there. And just like when I sit, I feel my ovaries on both sides, like swelling up, and I'm feeling like pinching, pulling.
And all the eggs.
Every egg.
All of them.
Yeah. Feeling other things too, but we'll talk about that in our follicle update. But just in terms of like injections and development, like I'm feeling the things and it's getting a little uncomfortable. So let's inject some more medicine into my stomach. Yeah. Swollen stomach. So sexy. Little stabby marks appearing.
Definitely.
See them? I don't know if they can see them on camera, but little tiny stabby marks are appearing.
Left going in.
No hesitation. Hesitation.
Three, 2, 1. Maybe over here.
Here, right there.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
All right.
How's the burn today?
Picking up now. It's better when it's not happening, like, it's better when it's not happening while you're stabbing me. Like, it's better if it happens a little bit after.
I agree.
Anyway, all right, we're done for today.
Have a good night, guys.
See you tomorrow. Hi, guys.
Good evening.
Good evening. We are on day 9 of injections, so we're just gonna hop right to it. After my appointment today, they asked me to increase my gonal F to 300 IUs instead of 225, and he is still dosing out 1 vial of Menopur. So that's what we're doing today. Let's get to stabbing.
Showing a little too much.
Maybe. We're going for this lower section here today.
Do you want this? Anyway, it's yours.
Use my phone. Alrighty. Just gotta grab and stab.
Yep.
Ow, that one hurt today.
You put it in and pulled it out and put it in. Three, two, one. We're getting close. Only a couple more days.
I'm gonna steady myself against the... because I feel the urge to want to get the hell away from this shot.
Three, two, one. So at a bad angle there, I'm looking at it like this instead of normally looking at it like this so I can see.
Yeah.
Have a good night.
Bye, guys.